A for apple. Apple means save. Apple. B for banana. Banana means kela. Banana. C for cow. Cow means गाय. Cow. D for doll. Doll means gudiya. Doll. E for egg. Egg means anda. Egg. F for frog. Frog means mandak. Frog. G for grapes. Grapes mean angur. Grapes. H for hand. Hand means heart. Hand. I for igloo. Igloo means igloo. Igloo. J for jelly. Jelly means jelly. Jelly. K for keyboard. Keyboard means keyboard. Keyboard. L for lion. Lion means share. Lion. M for mango. Mango means arm. Mango. And for nose. Nose means naak. Nose. O for orange. Orange means santra. Orange. P for parrot. Parrot means tota. Parrot. Q for queen. Queen means malka. Queen. R for rabbit. Rabbit means khargosh. Rabbit. S for sun. Sun means suraj. Sun. T for telephone. Telephone means telephone. Telephone. U for umbrella. Umbrella means chhatri. Umbrella. V for van. Van means bus. Van. W for watermelon. Watermelon means tarboos. Watermelon. X for X-ray. X-ray means X-ray. X-ray. Y for yak. Yak means jungli bhaisa. Yak. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra. Zebra. वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो लाइक कर दें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। थैंक यू।